ఓం శ్రీ మహాగణాధిపతయే నమః. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. శ్రీ లలితా సహస్రనామ స్తోత్రం. శ్రీమాత్రే నమః. లెట్స్ బిగిన్. Welcome to our divine space. Today we begin the sacred recitation of Sri Lalita Sahasranama, 1000 names of Goddess Lalita Devi, the Universal Divine Mother. Each name is presented in Telugu with its English meaning. May this chant bring peace, protection and prosperity to you and your home. Om Asya Shri Lalita Divya Sahasranam Stotra Mahamantrasya Vashinyadi Vagdevata Rusheha Anushtup Chandaha Shri Lalita Parabhattarika Mahatripura Sundari Devata Aim Bijam Klim Shaktihi Sauh Kilakam Mama Dharmartha Kama Moksha Chaturvida Phala Purushartha Siddhyarthe Lalita Tripura Sundari Parabhattarika Sahasranama Jape Viniyogaham. This is a sacred hymn of 1000 names of Sri Lalita. The sages are the Vedavyas, starting with Vashini. The meter is Anushtup. The deity is Supreme Sri Lalita Tripura Sundari. The seed Bija is Aim. The Shakti is Klim. And Kilaka is Sauh. The recitation is undertaken for the attainment of Dharma, righteousness, Artha, wealth, Kama, desires and Moksha, the liberation. Karanyasam, hand rituals. Aim Angushtabhyam Namaha, Klim Tarjanibhyam Namaha, Sauh Madhyamabhyam Namaha, Sauh Anamikabhyam Namaha, Klim Kanishtikabhyam Namaha, Aim Karatalakara Pushtabhyam Namaha. Anganyasam. Aim Hridayaya Namaha, Klim Shirase Swaha, Sauh Shikaya Vashat, Sauh Kavachaya Hum, Klim Netratrayaya Vaushat, Aim Astraya Fat, Bhurpuvas Suvara Iti Digbandham. Arunam Karuna Tarangitakshim, Dhrutapashankusha Pushpa Bhana Chapam, Animadibhi Abhrutam Mayukaihi Ahamityeva Vibhave Bhavani. Dhyayet Padmasanastam Vikasitavadanam Padmapatrayatakshim Hemabham Pitavastram Karagalitala Satyema Padmam Varangim Sarvalankarayuttam Satatamabhayadam Bhaktanamram Bhavani Shri Vidyam Shantamurtim Sakalasuranutam Sarvasampatpradatrim Sakunkuma Vilepanam Adikachumbikasturikam Samandahasitekshanam Sasharachapapashankusham Ashesha Janamohinim Arunamalya Ushojvalam Japa Kusumabhasuram Japavido Smaredambikam Sindhuraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikya-maulispurattaranaikashekaram Smitam Kim Mahapina Vakshuruham Panibhyam Malipurna-ratna-chashakam Raktotphalam Bibratim Saumyam Ratnagatastharaktcharanam Dhyayet Paramambikam. Panchapujam Kuryat. Om Lam Prithvi Tattvatmikaye Shri Lalita Devyai Gandham Parikalpayami. Om Ham Akasha Tattvatmikaye Shri Lalita Devyai Pushpam Parikalpayami. Om Yam Vayu Tattvatmikaye Shri Lalita Devyai Dhupam Parikalpayami. Om Ram Agni Tattvatmikaye Shri Lalita Devyai Deepam Parikalpayami. Om Vam Amrita Tattvatmikaye Shri Lalita Devyai Amrita Naivedhyam Samarpayami. Om Sam Sarva Tattvatmikaye Shri Lalita Devyai Sarvopachara Puja Parikalpayami. Please continue with me for the part 2 Lalita Sahasranamam. Learn with me and let everyone be blessed by Lalita Tripura Sundari Devi Ma, and please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and please comment down in the comment box if I want to make any changes in this video. Thank you.